How to clean filter on Shark Air Purifier, step by step. Now before you start, it's very important to know that most Shark Air purifiers use HEPA filters. These are not fully washable. So a pre-filter is cleanable, but a HEPA filter, you just replace it and you don't wash it at all. So first, if your filter is washable, you turn it off and unplug it. Never clean while it's powered on. Then remove the filter, open the back panel or side panel, take out the filter unit. Most Shark models use a 2-in-1 filter system. Outer pre-filter, inner HEPA filter. Now you can do a quick clean where you use a vacuum and you gently remove dust and hair, or you can do a deep clean where you rinse with cold water and let it air dry completely for about 24 hours. And make sure you don't use soap or hot water. Some Shark models have a filter indicator. To reset it, hold the filter reset button for 3 to 5 seconds and the light should turn off. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.